Today we are going to do a bicycle kick from football. I'm at home. I'm at literally home. And my ball is literally at the first floor. So, look what I did to my toy figure. I mean, when you look behind it, it's like you're getting up, right? So, we're going to now make it, so we're going to do it now. I hope this will actually show me. So, let's see if this will show. Let me try this. Yeah, guys, that might work. Yeah, guys, that might actually work. That might actually. I missed. I'm not left down, guys. So that will work. So we're going to keep trying this. I hit it! Guys! I hit it! I hit it! No, that one. Freak. It was too far. Let me get it. It was too far. Let's do two more. Two more. Nope. Okay. Guys, that was the last one. Last one. I did it! Guys, can you please make my channel to 1 million subscribers, please? I really want you to guys to make me 1 million subscribers. Please make it happen, guys. It is my dream to do it. By the way, I haven't posted for so long, so I'm sorry for that. So goodbye now. Wow, what I was doing like that. Okay guys, let me stop. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.